dear students, this topic is now on congruent triangles. Okay, congruent triangles means the triangles which are equal in all respects. Now, here I have a set of playing cards. You can see each and every card is congruent to the second one. Okay, so if this card and this card are taken, they are congruent to each other. So if I place one card over the other, it completely coincides like this. So both the figures, first and second, are said to be congruent. That means they are equal in all respects. That means here this side is equal to this side, this whole side is equal to this angle is equals to this angle. So these are the congruent figures. Now we are going to discuss congruent triangles. Suppose we have taken two triangles. This is one triangle, this is yet another triangle. Okay, let's name the triangle A B C. This is triangle D E F. Okay, now these are the pair of triangles in which we are going to prove congruency. Suppose this side AB is equal to this side D. This is the notation for sides. Wherever this notation you find, that means those sides are equal to each other. Similarly, side BC is equal to side EF, side AC equals to side DF, right? So this is given. Okay. Now, whenever you are going to prove congruency, please highlight the two triangles. In triangles ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, first we have AB equals D. Okay, you know why? Because they are already given. So write in the bracket, this is the reason, okay, that they are already given. Second condition, side AC equals to, see, side AC means from A to C. This is the line segment, this is not the angle, this is the side. Side AC is equal to side DF. Okay, even this is given. Third, BC equals to EF. Okay, this is also given. Please try to represent the sides in order. Suppose you are writing left hand side AB, AC, BC. They are representing the sides of triangle ABC. Alright. Equal to sides DE, DF, EF. These are the sides represented by this triangle. Okay. So now, fourth condition, you are going to write the congruency. That means at least three sides are there. Okay, for this triangle. So the three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle. So we can say triangle ABC is congruent. This is the symbol for congruency. Okay, this is congruency symbol. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, the way I have written that also matters. If I prefer to write triangle ABC, please see that AB is equal to D. Okay, see this AB equals to D. BC is equal to EF. The second, third, that order has to be maintained, because that becomes easy for you to identify the angles and the sides. Similarly, side AC, the first and third position is correspond to third position, that is D and F. This is DF is equals to AC. Okay. Now once you write the congruency condition, here you have to write the postulate, that is the condition on what basis you have proved this triangle is congruent. And the condition is S. That means the three sides of this triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle. Now once you prove congruency, the questions will be asked. Say for example, in this question, prove angle A equals to D. Now after this, what you have to proceed? Straight away write angle A equals to angle D. Okay. For this you are going to write the statement, supporting statement, that is by C, P, C, T, E. This means congruent parts of congruent triangles are equal. You know, a triangle has 6 properties, 3 sides, 3 angles. You have proved 3 things equal. The remaining 3 things in this are the 3 angles. Now which angles will be equal to which? Since BC is equal to EF, the angle opposite to BC is A. The angle opposite to EF is D. So you can write angle A equals to angle D. Similarly, angle B, this one, okay, will be equal to this, okay, that is angle E. For this also, the same statement is going to follow. The same reason, okay. Similarly, angle C equals to angle F. That means this angle equals to this angle, okay. Same reason. So, in proving questions on congruency, you need 3 things. The first condition which we have taken is triple S. That means, look at the figure, the 3 sides of one triangle are equal to 3 sides of another triangle, okay. So, please write the supporting statement. That means, this is the reason on what basis you have proved congruency between these 2 triangles, okay. So, these 3 questions could be followed after congruency. Clear? The second condition. This is the first condition, okay. The second condition is, suppose you are given 2 triangles. In this, again let us take triangle ABC. This is triangle DEF, okay. Here we are given AB is equal to D, side AC equals to side DF, and this included angle. Included angle means the angle between the 2 sides. The 2 sides are AB and AC, and the included angle is angle BAC. This angle is equal to this angle, okay. So the figure is now very clear, and the condition as we are given here SSS. Here we have 2 sides, 1 angle, okay. So again you highlight the 2 triangles. In triangles ABC and triangle DEF, okay. First, side AB equals side D, okay. This is given. Second, AC equals to DF, even this is given. And the third condition, see there should be 3 important conditions, okay, to prove congruency for triangles. In the first question we have given 3 sides. Here 2 sides, 1 angle. So the total countability is 3. So here we have angle BAC equals angle EDF. And this is also given, okay. So always the fourth statement will be like this. That means you are going to prove the congruency triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, okay. Here the postulate, the condition is SAS. Remember, 2 sides include angle. That means the angle should be between the 2 sides. Here, between these 2 sides, 1 angle. So side angle side of this triangle equals to side angle side of this triangle. That proves the congruency. So what are the 3 things left over? Already we have proved 2 sides and 1 angle equal. So the left out 3 properties are 2 angles and 1 side. So this remaining part which will be asked in the questions, now you are going to write. See, the possible questions that may be asked in this figure will be like this. Fifth, BC equals to EF, okay. Here you have to write CP, CTE, okay, because these are already the equal parts of the congruent triangles, okay. So BC and EF are equal because they are the sides opposite to angle A, angle D. Because angle A and angle D are equal, so BC is equal to EF. This is how you are going to identify the missing sides. Next, angle B that is angle ABC equals angle DEF. This could be also asked in the question. Okay, same reason, CPCTE. Then angle C, that means angle ACB equals angle DFE. Same reason. So these are the possible questions you might be asked in congruent triangles. After proving congruency, that is the fourth step. Okay, so always remember the maximum possible questions that could be asked is 3, because 3 things have already been proved. Here the 3 things are 2 sides, 1 angle. So the left out are 2 angles and 1 side. That is what we are following up. So these are the possible questions which may be asked in these type of questions when the congruency is on the basis of SAS. Now we are coming to the third postulate. Okay, here I am giving 2 triangles. Suppose triangle ABC, and here yet we have another triangle, that is DEF. Okay, now you know this notation. This notation is for right angle. That means angle ABC is 90 degree. Let me write this 90 degree. Okay, here also this is 90 degree. And the third condition is RHS. Okay, here the first condition was SSS. Here the second condition was SAS. And the third condition now we are discussing RHS. The full form is right angle, that is for 90 degree. H for hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse is the side opposite to 90 degree. Here we have AC equals to DF. That means these are the 2 sides which are hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side in a right angle triangle. That means the side opposite to 90 degree in a right angle triangle is the hypotenuse. So here AC is the hypotenuse for triangle ABC. DF is the hypotenuse for triangle DEF. Okay, so let me discuss the full form of this is right angle, hypotenuse, one side. Now again we are going to express the triangles in triangles ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, first angle ABC equals angle DEF. That means 90 degree. So this is given. So please write the angle in a proper way. Angle ABC means the angle is at the central point, that is angle B, the vertex B, where the angle is here. Similarly, angle DEF means the angle is at E, here. Now, second, AC equals DF. Okay, this is also given. Third, one more side is given to you, BC is equal to EF. So that's how completes the condition. Right angle, hypotenuse, one side. Okay, so the side BC is equal to EF. Okay, this is also given. So now we are writing the fourth statement, discussing the condition. Like here the fourth step. Here the fourth step. Okay, so remember the fourth step you are writing is you are connecting the 2 triangles congruent by using this symbol. This is the symbol for congruency. Congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, by RHS. This is the condition. Now what are the left out 3 things? We have proved 3 things. One right angle, one hypotenuse, one side. So left out is we are having 2 incomplete angles to be proved and one side, that is AB equals to D. So let's now follow. These are the possible questions which would be asked. Okay, so what you have to do in congruent triangles, first you have to prove congruency as I have written over here. So the possible questions that could be asked in these type of figures will be AB, that is the left out side, equals to DE, This is by CP, CTE. That means congruent parts of congruent triangles are equal. Okay. Similarly, angle BAC, BAC means angle this one is equal to angle EDF. Same reason, CPCT. Seventh, now we are left with one more angle, angle C. That means angle ACB equals angle DFE. Okay, by CPCT. So this is the possible questions that could be asked. Let me question mark over here. This is the question mark. This is the question mark. Okay. But for all this, first unit is that you prove the congruency between these two triangles. Okay. Fourth, suppose this is one triangle ABC and this is yet another triangle DEF. Okay. Suppose this angle is equal to this angle equals to this, and this side is equal to this side. Okay. So these two triangles are now congruent by AAS. Remember the sequence: angle, angle, then side, angle, then again the side. The sequence has to be followed clearly. So again, pair up the triangles in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay. First, angle A equals to angle D. This is given. Okay. Second, angle B equals angle E. That is also given. And third is the side BC. This one equals to side EF. This is also given. So fourth step again, we are relating the two congruent triangles, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, this is by angle, again angle and one side. So the angle side, the sequence has to be followed. Then the left out, that means the question marks that could be asked. First, we are left with angle C equals to F. So for angle C equals to angle F, when you are writing this, you are going to write the reason CP, CTE. That is, the congruent parts of congruent triangles equal. Second, you will be asked to find, suppose AB equals to D, you have to prove. Again the same reason, AB equals to D. That means the same reason. Okay. So this is how the questions might be followed. Okay. Now, applying these four conditions, okay, you can prove congruent triangles. Okay. Now let me discuss one question from the book. This is the question that is given in the book. So how to prove the congruency, how to deal the questions based on congruent triangles. AD is joined like this. Okay. Here the notation is given, side AC is equal to side AB. Okay. BD is equal to CD. That's it. Okay. So first of all, you are going to prove in this question. The question says, first prove that triangle ABD, okay, congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, you have to prove this. Now, first of all, the triangles are already there, so you have to represent these two triangles in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. That means you have to clearly state the two pairs of triangles in which you are going to prove congruency. First, side AB equals to side AC. Okay. So we are writing AB equals to AC. Okay. AP represents for triangle ABD AC represents for triangle ACD. This is given. Second, BD equals to, follow the notation, single notation here means this is equal to CD. So this is equal to CD. This is also given. Now, third thing you have to find, that is hidden over here. You can see that for this triangle ABD, AD is the side, and for triangle ACD, AD is again the side. So AD is common for both triangles, ABD and ACD. So we are writing AD equals to AD, that is common side. So sometimes you might be having the problem to find the hidden properties. This is the hidden property in this question. Okay. So now we are coming to the fourth stage, that is, as usual you are going to write the congruency. Mention the condition. Here triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, and the condition is three sides. Two sides over here and the third side. So by SSS, the first property discussed over here. So by SSS, the two triangles are congruent. Suppose in the question, one more question is attached. Prove that angle B equals to angle C. You can see that this angle is opposite to AD and this angle is opposite to AD. So since AD is common for both, so these two angles are equal. So you can write over here angle C equals to angle B by CPE. Okay, because these are the remaining angles or sides of the two triangles, in between which you have proved the congruency. So maximum for the second part, after congruency, three things may be asked, as you have seen in all these questions. Okay, so this is the solution for these type of questions. So search for the two triangles and go through the properties that are given. You might be having one of these conditions already supported in the diagrams.